welcome back to another video. Today we'll be installing and painting a boot lip for my FX5. So I installed the KBD kit, but I didn't have the back piece for the kit, so I've been driving around and I've seen photos and videos of my car from the behind, and it looks so goofy because it doesn't have the back piece, so it looks like the back is really high. So I couldn't get the back piece for the kit, but I bought this lip to hopefully make it look a little lower.
I made a bag of it, want the money, no fame, cause you know we never gon' miss. Hop on a wave, know it going up now. Just made a hit cause I'm coming in clutch now. I put the diamonds.
Before I start painting, I'm gonna install the spoiler just so I don't have to drill holes through the paint when it's done. I have to cut off my cute little Surikawa because I know it's not gonna be seen once the thing's on, so let's do that. To buy a new one. It's very dirty.
When I'm alone, all I see is lane. Heart aching for the grave. Big money making, fuck you me. Smoking dope, part of my routine. Fuck you one, round 17. Bitch, I'm smoking pounds, round 17. Can I turn around? I'm round 17. Won't be around, turn 18. Tryna go around. Feel the different girl. Speakers real loud. Puffing on that loud, huh? All they want is clout. Tryna see what motherfuckers is about. All they wanna do is party for the fun. I don't trust enough on people, couldn't cut the fucking blood.
So I'm just gonna mark a few holes over this piece and then drill them in. And then I'll go under the car and drill the same holes.
Damn, I'll grew my pitch. Smoke filling up my lungs. Damn, I'm running out of luck. Damn, I gotta run it up. Now I'm not feeling they lust. When I'm alone, all I see is lane. Heart aching for the grain. Big money making, fuck you me. Smoking dope, part of my routine. Fuck you one, round 17. Bitch, I'm smoking pounds, round 17. Can I turn around, round 17? Won't be around, turn 18.
Now that I installed it on, I took it off. Now I'm just gonna sand these pieces with 240 grit, then 600 grit. I will show you how I do that. just finished painting. I'm gonna take 2000 grit sandpaper and just sand over the paint. I just left this overnight to dry. It's pretty dry. We're gonna install this now. I think I'll have to drill it in here. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll answer it. Please consider supporting the channel and subscribing. And if you want to see any specific video from me, comment and I will try to do it. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.